Hey guys, it's Kelly with Cowtown Cottages in Waxahachie, Texas. And today I want to talk to y'all about designing storage into your home, whether it's through the design itself or through furniture. So one thing I always do in a house that has a dead space is I always add this cabinetry here in the dead space. So this is a great little cabinet for, games. You could put candles, all the little things that need air-conditioned storage that you don't use all the time, Christmas dishes, whatever you want. This is a great little nook for that. The other thing I love to do for storage in a living room is I love to use a chest when I can, because this holds a lot of amazing things. So this can even hold clothing. No one has to know what's in your chest in the living room. So it can hold work, it can hold papers, it can hold clothes. Really functional if you can do this and you have a place to eat. So that's kind of the offset. This home has a place to eat, so you can have a chest. If this didn't have an eat-in bar, this would be where you put your dining table. So that's what that would offer you. Okay, come in the kitchen. I want to talk about the storage here. So initially this kitchen didn't have a ton of storage. You do have your drawers here, which is great. But what we've done is we've added in significant storage on the other side. So over here, not only do you have a cabinet over the refrigerator, but it's not one of those really small ones. It is tall and it is deep. So this is great for crock pots, all kinds of things that you cook with that are essential to meal making, that are big appliances. This is perfect for that. And then the other thing we did is we came over here and we gave you a ton of storage here. If you have this much food, that's a lot of food. You can use this for food. You can use this for other functions of the home. You could put your Tupperware there. You can use this for a number of reasons. You could use linen, pantry, and then kitchen utensils here. This is a phenomenal space. So then we go to storage in the drawers of the stairs. So here we have 4 drawers right here. So what I love to do with that is that's a great place to store flashlights, extension cords, batteries. Now come in here in the bedroom. I want to show you something. This particular bedroom is designed to have a dresser. It's not here right now, but that's going to make phenomenal storage. You could have a really long dresser, rather deep, and still be able to get by. But the one thing I want to show you with this bed is we have opted for this special foundation. So what that means is it's not your typical foundation. So it has height. So we designed it this way so that you could get plastic storage bins and they could easily fit under your bed for those out of season shoes or even in season shoes. You just pull out your shoe bin and it's right there. This is not your typical railing for a bed. So this is one of the things we love about it. And then of course you have your 2 closets that have 2 rods. So my last feature of the home for storage that I think you're just gonna flip over, we're crazy about it, is in the loft. We are finding that our clients are loving our storage closet in the loft. So it doesn't have to be storage. This is the loft's closet if you want it. Please notice that we've added plugs, we've added lights. You can hang your out of season clothes, or you can actually have whoever is living in the loft have all of their things right there. Nobody has to compromise in living tiny, not even the kids. So this house is our Primrose. It's a signature design by Cowtown Cottages. We hope you like it. Come see us in Waxahachie. Thanks for watching.